She was 16, no phone in her hand. 2 days in the truck just to make it that far. Tennessee plates rolling north through the pines, up to a lake where you can't see a car. The thunder rolled in around supper time, wind on the water and the sky turning slate. She looked at me and I looked at her, and I reached for the switch and I cut the light. Lights out on Kishkutena, 16 years old and the world stood still. A teenage girl and her old man, and a storm rolling in over the hill. She's grown and gone, and the years rolled on, but I still hear the thunder some nights. And every time the sky turns slate, I think about cutting the lights. Lights out on Kishkutena, 16 years old and the world stood still. A teenage girl and her old man, and a storm rolling in over the hill. Lights out on Kishkutena.